In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute all participants in Zoom meeting. If you're running a class, a team call, or a community meetup, background noise can quickly add up. Muting everyone at once is the fastest way to get things back on track without calling people out individually. This only takes a couple of clicks, and you'll have full control of the room again. Before we begin, make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting. Only hosts and co-hosts can mute everyone at once. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you might need to ask the meeting host to make you a co-host. While you're in your Zoom meeting, look along the bottom of the Zoom window for the meeting controls. Click the Participants button to open the Participants pane. On most screens, this appears as a small icon of two people with the word Participants next to it. When you click it, a sidebar will appear, typically on the right side of your screen, listing everyone who's in the meeting and showing who's muted and who isn't. Now, in that Participants pane, look toward the bottom for the Mute All button. Click Mute All. As soon as you do, Zoom will pop up a confirmation window. This is simply making sure you really want to mute everyone at once, because it affects all active microphones in the meeting. Go ahead and confirm. That's it. Everyone is now muted, and your meeting should immediately feel quieter and more focused. In that confirmation window, you may also see an option that controls whether participants are allowed to unmute themselves. If you want a tightly controlled session, such as a presentation or a webinar-style meeting, uncheck that option before confirming. If you're in a collaborative meeting and you want people to be able to jump back in when needed, leave it checked. Either way, confirming your choice completes the action. Once everyone is muted, your audio remains live, so you can keep presenting, giving instructions, or guiding the conversation. If someone needs to speak later, you can unmute them individually or ask them to unmute themselves. A quick heads up in the chat is a courteous way to let attendees know that you've muted all mics so everyone gets the best audio experience. If you don't see the Participants button or the Mute All option, double check that you're the host, expand your Zoom window if it's small, or ensure your Zoom app is up to date. And that's all there is to it. Open Participants, click Mute 'em, all confirm, and you're back in control.